2023 we completed several custom builds that were not typical. One of them is MojeEgo. MojeEgo is basically MyEgo. Usually we come up with the name of the car. We initially named it Frodo, but one day the owner said, "From today, let's call it MojeEgo." It took me a moment to process this suggestion. Having studied Freud's theory of personality at the Academy of Fine Arts, I quickly realized the brilliance of the name. I don't want to make you bored, but in essence, ego represents an aspect of a person's identity linked with the concept of the self. This car is a reflection of the owner's personality and aesthetic preferences. 0 to 1 situation where you love it or hate it. Let's go to the past. One day the owner of that beautiful car, Jacek, said he's ready to start a custom build journey. He specified that it should be wild, wide, targa, manual and based on a 964 generation. We found and supplied the car. Remember, the factory didn't produce many manual targas in that generation. We were lucky to find one in a short time. We dismantled all the parts, categorizing them into several piles. Those needing repairs, those requiring attention, those to be replaced, and those to be cleaned. Certainly, there are numerous smart technical upgrades such as the Bilstein suspension, RS clutch, and 5-speed muffler. We also boosted the horsepower a little. However, the true essence of this project lies in its visual aspect. We made the car wider by the original steel flares, turbo bumpers and side skirts. We painted the car Murano green, an original color from that era's palette. It is super rare and still a correct choice. There are several magical features in the car, such as the targa top painted with the checkered pattern. This subtle detail adds to its beauty. The crest on the hood mirrors the pattern from the interior. The true magic lies within the car. Let's start from the top and work our way down. The window section was designed to align with the dashboard line. Anything above and below that line can be seen as separate. For example, if the interior is yellow, a black dashboard and black targa top can still complement the rest of the car without seeming out of place. We kept the dashboard line and everything above it black, upholstered with an amazing quality Napa leather. Fun fact, the inner part of the targa top is upholstered using high quality vinyl, as it is the proper and still the best solution for that part of the car. Moving lower, we used a stunning Portuguese checkered fabric combined with burgundy Alcantara. The fabric complements the body color. Good selection of our products. CB door cards, a semi-red room kit, wooden 917 shifter kit, custom gauges, AC panel installed in the aluminum dash trim, ignition switch bezel, hidden audio system and a carpet set with floor mats, a trunk mat made using original buckle fabric. We combined them with Recaro CS seats, Momo steering wheel. Check out how the colors are balanced. We don't want too much burgundy since it's quite bold. Remember, finding the right mix of colors isn't a math problem. The trick is to use a lot of calm neutral color, a bit less of moderately active color and just a touch of the bold one. I'm curious, what do you think about the wheel choice? Meanwhile, come closer and take a look at the calipers. Everything we do is a collection of details. Details are crucial. They're what make the car amazing and unique in a way I love. It's a love it or hate it situation. I personally love it. What about you?